Got a cooking show. Is amazing to be in the kitchen cooking up a whole heap of food and thing. But anyway, today I make you one of my tomato jerk sauce. You can use it at home. The beauty with the Jamaican jerk sauce is that, you know what I mean, say you're cooking some food and you want a little bit of hot pepper in it. You just take like a teaspoon and put some pepper in it. You can eat it with your food. You can do so many things with it. You know what I mean? If you're making some jerk ups, if say you want to make like a barbecue sauce and you want a little spice, you can add a little bit in it also. That's the way it works. Anyway, enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel and stay tuned with more recipe and ideas from Chef Ricardo. Subscribe, like and share, and tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. See you next time, guys. Bye bye. It's just amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, today we want to make you a nice, lovely one of Chef Ricardo tomato jerk sauce. Alright? This one, you can use it on your food, you know what I mean, when you're eating your food, or if you want to put into some food or you're cooking some food, it's pretty good. Well, first of all, I'm going to tell you the ingredients which I'm going to use to make the sauce. Chef Ricardo tomato jerk sauce. We got 2, 4, 6, 8 medium-sized tomato, 2, 4, 6, 7 pepper, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 cloves of garlic, 2 spring onion, fresh thyme and ginger. Lovely. All you need to do is put the pepper them on a tray like this. Nice one. And the garlic. And the thyme. And the ginger. Then get the spring onion and simply cut them into small pieces. Tomato. Into some quarters or half. Lovely. As you can see, now we're gonna do simple. Pop a little bit of olive oil and like this, and we're just gonna put them in the oven for roughly about 5 to 6 minutes on a high temperature. The ice temperature on your oven, just roast them in it for about 5 to 6 minutes the least. All right. As you can see, lovely and nice. So if you're using gas mark, you can use gas mark 9. If you're using different oven, 175 or 180 is good for you for about 6 to 7 minutes. You just want to get that branch on it and get that garlic burn scent. So enjoy it. Nice and lovely. I just take it from the oven, guys. As you can see, all the pepper them looking lovely and nice. Look at this nice lovely color with the pepper. So that's what you're looking for. You want to get that lovely scent of the pepper. So basically what we're going to do, I'm going to pop them in straight inside of this. Make sure you got on the gloves. And when you're going to blend this, make sure the kids them is away, because the pepper scent is very strong, guys. Be careful, do not burn yourself. It's very important. As you can see, exactly what Chef Ricardo been doing right here. Chef Ricardo tomato jerk sauce. I did this before for myself a couple of months ago, but I didn't share it with the fans because I know some people stay on YouTube and then they say Chef Ricardo have a lot of ideas, so I might grab this one. But you know, I have to share things with the fans, and because the fans them make me we can buy stuff and do certain things, you know what I mean, because them love it. If you notice, all I did, all of the garlic, lovely and nice. Make sure, as I said before, guys, make sure you got on gloves to angle it. Now we're gonna use some white vinegar. This is from Jamaica. Inside of it to blend it and to preserve it longer. So now we're gonna put some vinegar inside of it like this. Gonna use roughly about 1/4 cups of vinegar. So what the vinegar going to do, it's gonna preserve it a little bit longer, and also a teaspoon of honey. Cover it just like this. And what we're going to do, we're going to blend it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Alright, you can see? Lovely and nice. Nice. So what we're going to do, can two things. I can either leave it in it like this, or you can strain it. Oh, nice. Smell lovely and nice. You can see? You can either leave it inside of it, because you can see, look at that. Beautiful. But so we're gonna strain it like this, alright? Look at that. But this is what you want to use. Alright? Look at that. Beautiful and nice. And you can get it even smoother if you use a Ninja blender. Beautiful, guys. So this sauce now, all you need to do is just cool it down. Nice and lovely, but just take a little bit of the liquid just to show you exactly what's going on. So it looking lovely and nice. So this now you can just use it in any like a cooking you're doing at home. So I just pouring it to show you how when it's training how it look, guys. But as you can see, really nice. And the vinegar though does make it last a little bit longer. But as you can see, hot pepper sauce, tomato hot pepper sauce. You can make this at home and use it in your food and use it for your purpose. Look at that, beautiful and nice. Enjoy and subscribe to the channel, and please leave your comments. We got a lot more ideas and recipe for you. Really, really nice. So basically, all you need to do is just put it into a sealed container and just keep using it as it goes along. Because the vinegar is inside of it, so it lasts a little bit longer. And it's just beautiful and nice. Really spicy and hot too. Look at that, really nice. See? Beautiful, guys. So enjoy it, and thank you so much for watching the cooking show, and stay tuned with Chef Ricardo cooking show. We got a lot more ideas and recipe coming out for you. See you next time. Bye bye. Chef Ricardo natural tomato jerk sauce. All this one, just leave it, cover it down and cool it and use it as it goes along.